Hello, my name is Jairo Pineda, an audio engineer who helps out at Voice123. We'll be talking about common voiceover audio recording problems and its possible fixes. A link to our full How to Edit Voiceovers piece on our voiceover guide is found in the description below. Today we're going to be talking about rumble and background noises. What's rumble and background noise? Why do they happen? Rumble is another way to say low-frequency noise, and background noise includes clicks, pops, and overall noises that are produced by external sources. Rumbles are created by vibrations and movements. In some cases, this can be the result of cars if your recording studio is next to a busy street, or if you move your mic stand or cable when recording. Background noises are noises created by external factors, such as AC units or furnaces, electronic devices, computer fans, and more. Let's take a look at how to treat and remove rumble and background noise in post-production. We're gonna use Ableton Live 10 native plugins and iZotope RX plugins for this. Let's dive into it! This voiceover was recorded while moving the mic cable to simulate rumble and background noises. It'll tickle your fancy, sharpen your skills, and strengthen your bones. Fizz up, and it's available everywhere now. Next, we're gonna add an EQ to the track to identify where the rumble and background noises sit in the recording. As you can see, the rumble is in the lower frequency spectrum. We're gonna select the aggressive high-pass filter and do a sweep to search the cutoff frequency that works best for this scenario. It'll tickle your fancy, sharpen your skills, and strengthen your bones. Fizz up, and it's available everywhere now. Now, let's add a noise gate to remove unwanted noises in between phrases. Dial the threshold so that the gate allows the voiceover to pass while retaining the low volume noises. It'll tickle your fancy, sharpen your skills, and strengthen your bones. Fizz up, and it's available everywhere now. It'll tickle your fancy, sharpen your skills, and strengthen your bones. Fizz up, and it's available everywhere now. But as you can hear, there are still some background noises that we couldn't fully remove. So now we're gonna use the iZotope RX Vocal Denoise plugin to help us. We're gonna dial the reduction amount to suit our needs. It'll tickle your fancy, sharpen your skills, and strengthen your bones. Fizz up, and it's available everywhere now. Let's compare the initial version. It'll tickle your fancy, sharpen your skills, and strengthen your bones. Fizz up, and it's available everywhere now. With the finished product. It'll tickle your fancy, sharpen your skills, and strengthen your bones. Fizz up, and it's available everywhere now. And there you have it! These are our tips on how to remove rumble and background noises in your recordings. Remember, investing time and resources in your pre-production and recording stages will improve your post-production experience. Comment down below if you have more tips and tricks on how to remove rumble and background noises, or if you have any additional questions. Be sure to check out our other videos in the series.